Good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday, all. I have just done some work. So I've weeded out all the pumpkin vines from this patch here. And I put some dirt in. So it is all nice and clean and airy. You can see right through, and I even have more space now. I can plant other stuff. Splash dirt all over. What is this things here? My peppers. Look at it. Nice and clean now. The sun glares. You can see everything clearly now. June plum blossoming. I wonder if you can really bear this shot. Nice and clean. And then after that I washed this car here. Got my morning exercise from washing this car. I'm doing this little bit of gardening. There's pumpkin everywhere. Everywhere, running up the fence. Pumpkin. Just about everywhere. Look. This is sweet potato. Here. Going all the way up. Pumpkin and sweet potato. Pumpkin blossoming everywhere. Okay, more pumpkin. Pumpkin everywhere. Look at this big one here. Look. And there's another one here. The sun is on it. See there? This is a breadfruit tree. Need to transplant it now. So this is one pumpkin, and this is another one. I mean, what's left from, so this was left from two. I gave away some. And my peppers that I picked from there. So, giving thanks for my little food that I reaped. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.